baddies, what's up gang? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this, stay true to this and hit the subscribe button. Today we're doing a wig install. We're installing the wig from Outre called Andreina. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but don't go anywhere. We're gonna get right into it. So I'm going to brush my edges back with the main choice edge control. I am not a professional, I am a beginner, so I'm not doing a ball cap method or anything like that. I definitely have not mastered the ball cap method yet, but hopefully I will soon. I do have brown wig caps and that definitely helps a lot. I have the even tinted lace spray in the color medium brown. I do have them linked in my Amazon storefront, so I will have it all in the description box below. Okay, so before I install the wig, I'm gonna show you guys a closer look. So it's really soft and I definitely like the curl pattern. This is the inside of the wig. It does have a strap and I believe it has 2 combs included. It's a 360 lace wig. So there's lace all around. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tint the lace, and because it's a 360 wig, remember, I have to spray it all around. Okay, so for this part, I'm just gonna let you guys watch me. If you guys want a more detailed step-by-step tutorial in another video, just let me know. Here's a tip for beginners. If you're installing your wig, make sure you don't do a full face of makeup because it will get messed up, especially if you're using lace spray. Once you put it on, it starts to drip and everything. If you're gonna be recording content and stuff, it's okay to obviously, you know, put on some lashes, touch up on any blemishes that you may feel like you need to touch up on. Do the full face after and show your full face of makeup after the install. If you're a content creator, now would be the perfect time to start doing your makeup that you have your elastic band on. I will be right back. Okay, so now you guys are seeing me doing my edges. I'm using the hot comb to remove any hair to make sure that it's not in the way. I'm gonna cut in an angle and I'm gonna use a mini flat iron. It does help. And yeah, I'm not gonna cap you guys, I did have a hard time doing my edges. I did struggle a little bit. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, I am no expert in baby hairs, but I feel like this side came out pretty good. As y'all could see, I could not do the little swoopy thing, but it's okay. And I'm gonna just let this side be because I'm over it and I had a long day and y'all get the point. Now I'm gonna use my wax stick to flatten the wig. The wax stick I'm using today is from She Is Bomb. So as you can see, that wax stick is important. It's key. Like, look at the difference between this side and this side. And once I put that hot comb on it, yeah, that's the key, guys. I feel like that made a huge difference already. And I forgot, I usually do this after I put the first, after I do the first rounds of adhesive spray. So I did forget to do that this time, but it's okay. As long as you use the wax stick before you're done, like, it's all good. I'm going to cut off a little bit of the tips just because I feel like it'll make the wig look a little bit better. Alright guys, so that is the final result. So now let's get into the details of the wig. Alright, so this is the box that the wig came in. This wig is by Outre and it's called Andreina. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. It's 24 inch. The color that I got is DRFF4/buttered toast. Either way, all the information will be down below in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. This is a 100% human hair blend. It's a 360 frontal lace wig, so you can style this wig in many different ways. and it's a 13x6 hand-tied lace frontal. This wig is also pre-plucked with a natural shape, and it has full temple coverage, sideburn to sideburn, hand-tied lace. And it also has a pre-attached elastic band, and don't forget it has the 2 combs in the back. Alright you guys, so that is all for today. Make sure to follow me on TikTok, Lady on the Moon. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Lady on the Moon. All that will be down in the description box below as well. I'm very much always on TikTok, so y'all can always find me on there. Let me know what else videos you guys like to see, or what other wigs you like me to try on. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for coming along on this journey with me. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned to Lady on the Moon. I'll see y'all soon.